In this video, to show the difference between hyperbolic cosine and complex cosine. We begin with the values of W. So that validation, list of items. W is 0 to 1. We can start with 0. And now we continue with the hyperbolic cosine. It's array formula. Hyperbolic cosine W times X. And the imaginary cosine, but we can already show the chart. So insert chart, and we use scatter chart. Use row 1 as header. In the series, show the trend line, the type polynomial, and the degree 10. For the label, use the equation. For the legend, position at the left. So here you have the trend line and the polynomial. And we continue with the complex cosine, which is array formula, cosine or IMCOS. Begin with the complex number. 0 plus wxi, so 0, comma, that is your for the I, w times x. And continue with the cosine. So imaginary cosine of a complex number, IMCOS. And we continue. We cannot see the red one, so IMABS, we want the absolute number. Now we need the equation, so we change the chart. Under series, trend line, the type polynomial, the degree 10th. For the label, use the equation. Finally, we have that. So we can change the value of W to 0.2. This is the value of W. This is now the hyperbolic cosine. Change also to W 0.2. Now they're the same. Change this to 0.4. So this is now the hyperbolic cosine. Change this to 0.4. Now they're the same. This is for the complex cosine. Change this to 0.6. You can also change this to 0.6. Change this to 0.8. You can also change this to 0.8. Change this to 1. You can also change this to 1. This shows the difference between hyperbolic cosine, and complex cosine.